out at RC Planet with the crew.
Hello. Hey.
And everyone is here. We're gonna have another little evening run, and we have another little special treat for you guys, because this is the first time, at least I am seeing the BT8, if I'm correct, Jeroen?
Yes.
Running. So we're gonna try and get some really cool shots for you guys, and there's some people gathering, and I've already seen some really nice rigs. So hey, it's going to be a fun night again, and we'll get back to you when everyone starts driving. Catch you in a second.
This Cross RC is such an insane rig. It has so many things that actually function on the rig. Soon we're going to be dropping a video featuring just the BT8. So we're going to be focusing on everything it can do. It's amphibious, so we're going to do it on land. We're going to run it in the water. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and smash that bell so you don't miss it. While everyone is getting ready, we're just going to quickly zoom in on a few really cool rigs that we saw driving here today and show you a little bit of the RC crawler track that they have here at RC Planet. And right after that, we're heading off into the forest with a huge group of rigs. Check out this awesome lineup we have today. I think there's something like 35 plus rigs here. We're gonna head into the forest and it is going to get epic, so stay tuned because we're gonna do long runs all the way through the forest. We're gonna hit mega bog holes and you're gonna see cars bogged like you've never seen before.
Dank je. Ja, altijd weer leuk joh. Er zitten zoveel leuke wagens bij ook. Het is leuk om achteraf een beetje te zitten kijken. De heksluiters.
It is so awesome to have such a big crawler group getting together, having fun all evening, just riding the trails, checking out each other's cars, talking about the technical stuff, and just having a lot of fun together.
Oh, gaaf dat kleine dingetje. Oh. We hebben nu zoveel mut gehad, ik ben er even klaar mee. Een paar dagen geleden zijn we tot over de motor gekomen. Ja, dat was wel echt heftig. Ja. In Duitsland echt een heel heftig park geweest. Nee, naar de Magnus.
Nee joh.
Ja.
We are on the way to the swampy area, and stay tuned because it's going to get dark. All the lights are going to be shining in the forest, and we are going to hit the bogs. These dudes are like the honey badger, you know. The honey badger don't care.
Heb je opengestoken? Met Rob opengestoken? Ja, Rob hier, maar... Hier is het spoor. Oh. Je zit er op de verkeerde kant uit. Ja, sorry. Hey, Simon. Ja. Was even spannend. Ja, wat houden. Dan kan allebei zitten. Naar de baan, dat 2-3 auto's ging ook niet. Ik kon er 2 auto's meenemen, dan moest er eentje half demonteren. Kom op, met zo'n dom.
If you live in the Netherlands and you're interested in where this is, the RC Planet Trail, let us know in the comments and we will get back to you. We actually reply to every comment that is dropped on our channel.
Hey, look! Ik hoor mezelf niet meer.
Right now, we've actually finished our run. We're heading up to the little spot where we wash the cars. And stay tuned because, of course, like I said before, the BT8 is coming in a huge feature video. We're going to be dropping our 4x4 off-road adventures this summer. We took Old Grey, our 4x4 rig, out through Europe. Got into some really awesome situations, so stay tuned for that as well. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe, like the video, hey, and don't forget, share it with your mom.
Oh, sorry.